Hello. What's your name again?
My name is Ben.
Ben. And you?
My name is
Oh, and you?
My name is Henry. Henry.
Henry. Okay. So today we learn about English already.
Yes,
So I want to review something. Okay. So tell me, how do you practice English? You?
I practice. I join
No. I join.
Sean English.
No, listen. I join.
English club.
English speaking.
English speaking club.
Again, can you say that again?
I join English speaking club.
Okay, look at the picture, okay? So you can remember it more easily, okay? You, how do you practice English?
I join English speaking club.
Okay, next, how do you practice English?
I practice English with foreigners.
Foreigners. Now say that again. How practice?
I practice English with foreigners.
With foreigners. Okay, you?
I practice English with foreigners.
Okay, good. And you, can you say that?
I written.
No, I practice.
I written English with foreigners.
With foreigners. Okay, then. Next. Now, can you see this picture? So, how do you practice English?
I read news in English.
Good, very good. Remember? Now you remember? Yeah,
I read news in English.
News.
Read news
News.
in English.
Okay.
I read news in English.
Yeah. Good. So we move to this picture. How do you practice English?
I go to my class. English.
No, I go to my
I go to my class.
English class. I go to my English class. Again.
I go to my English class.
Okay. You?
I go to English class. I go to my English class.
Okay. So listen to your friend and try to remember. Huh? You, how do you practice
I
English?
go to my English class.
Okay, can you say it more clearly?
I go to my English class.
Okay. And how about this one? How do you practice English?
I try all posts on my social media in English.
Okay. Good.
I write all posts on my social media in English.
Good.
I write all posts on my social English.
My social media.
My social media in English.
And you will with this photo.
I chat with my friend in English.
Okay, easy, huh?
I chat with my friend in English.
Okay.
I chat with my friends in English.
Okay, good. And how about the last one? How do you practice English?
I practice English.
No,
I speak to myself in front of the mirror.
Okay, right.
I speak to myself in front of the mirror.
Okay, better.
I speak to myself in front of
In front of.
the mirror.
No, it's not wrong. Again, I speak.
I speak on myself.
No, I speak to
I
myself.
speak to myself
In front of. In front of the mirror. Okay, thank you. Thank you all of you. Thank you. You're very good. Yeah, see you.
Goodbye.
Yeah.